What's up my baddie babes, it's your girl Brianna and I am back with you with another video. In today's video I'll be showing you how I do my own lash extensions. I know this is not recommended, but I bet you gotta do what they gotta do. Like, I can't be out here spending $200 on lashes. Like, it's just not in my book, okay? But if you got the money, girl, go ahead and do that, because that's what you're supposed to do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video to your friends and family. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay y'all, so of course what you would need is your lash extensions. This is the Fadlash lash extensions, and I'm just going to be using two different lashes. I recently just purchased these. These are the 20 to 25 mm mink lashes. They're mixed, and it's also 25D curl. So yeah, and this one is just the 15 to 20 mm mink lashes, and this is in 20D. It's also mixed as well, and I got both of these off of Amazon for not very that expensive. It was like nothing more than $10. Like, it wasn't that expensive. I know these were like $8.99. I think this was $10.99, but it's not that expensive. I mean, I literally paid under $10, so that is very affordable compared to, like, I don't know how much people spend for lashes, but yeah. And of course you would need some lash tweezers. They actually sent me these lash tweezers, which I'm very thankful for. I even came with a case to keep your tweezers in. I even have these are from Amazon as well. And make sure you are sterilizing your tweezers, because after all, these are going on like around your eye area. You're not trying to create any type of like infection or anything. Let's get right into the tutorial. I feel like I talked y'all heads off now, so let's just get right into the tutorial. So I'll be starting off with the 15 to 20 mm lash extensions. I like a very like hybrid type of effect where it's like short and then it gets gradually longer. I don't know, I just like that type of look, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Personally, I don't know how to fan, but I just pretty much practiced on this and it came out pretty good, so I was pretty happy. Y'all can see it, but that's the fan. So what I do is I just get this strip right here. Like, this is actually the 15 strip, so I'm just going to peel that strip out. Normally I just get the back of like my lash case and I just put it like this, so it looks like that. Excuse the makeup on there, I know, but that's what it looks like. To create like the fan or whatever, right here it's like it's already created like a fan. I just pick it up with my tweezers, not really all the way down, just some way, but not all the way, and I just peel it up, but very carefully. Get my tweezer and pull. I'll show y'all off camera because it's not working for me. This is what it looks like. I know y'all can't see, I'm so sorry. My phone never wants to like focus, so unfortunately y'all can't really see, but I picked it up from right here. So now I'm about to do like the whole like fanning, but even though this is not going to really be a fan because I don't know how to fan, but what they say to do is like pinch it with your like 2 fingers, and then like you just really like squeeze it, and then you gently like let go a little bit with your tweezers. But this is so hard, y'all. Like, oh my god. I'll be using hair glue, y'all. I know y'all gonna come to me in my comments saying no, you're not supposed to use hair glue or whatever. You can say that for yourself, because honestly I'm still gonna use it. This is what I've been using, and I don't normally keep my extensions in for that long anyway, so I like to use hair glue. I put it on the back of my case like that. I just dip it in the glue like that, and I just go back and squeeze the lash. That fan looks absolutely horrible. Get your glue again, and you want to dip it in your glue, not too much. I'm not going to do any isolation because, girl, I don't know how to do that. Once you have it dipped in your glue, I'm going to be looking down, guys, because I have to make sure I'm looking down when I do this. So you look down at the mirror. You can use tape. I know some people use tape, but I mean, honestly, I just lift it up like this, and you're good. And then I just look right down the mirror. You get your lash, you just place it right there, not on the pink part of your eye, but like that brown part, because if you put it on the pink part, it's going to irritate your eye.
I see red.
that's my lash. I have it where it's pretty much on my real lashes. But once again, this is the 15mm, and I just put it almost in the inner corner of my eye because we are going for the more like gradient effect where it gets like shorter and then it gets like longer. Yeah, let's get the next pair of lashes. Once we have our lash, go ahead and start the fanning process. We're getting our glue, and I'm just gonna like dip it in the glue like that, and I just let it like sit for a little bit, and then I put it in my eye. Alright guys, so once I have them there, I get my tweezers, and I like to like press the lashes together so they can stick. Alright, so we're still working with the 15mm lashes. I'm about to get me some more so I can continue probably a little bit more, and then I'll switch on over to like the 20mm and stuff like that. So we are moving with the 19mm to put right next to that last 15 that we did, and yeah.
We love you, Dior.
So ignore that, I'm gonna fix that later, but this is how it looks right now. So now we're gonna start with the 20mm and see how that looks. Halfway done, I guess you can say. You can keep it like not so full if you're going for more of like a natural type of look, but you know me, I'm all about dramatic. So once I'm finished, you will see me going back and just adding some more lashes pretty much in between the ones I already did, just to make them look more full. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all once I am finished with this eye. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. So now what I'm about to do is just go in random areas and just fill in that I feel like needs to be filled in, and I just do that by getting these specific tweezers, and I go in between and I kind of like spread it like that, and that's how I fill in. So that's what I'm about to do right now. it's getting late and I'm getting very tired, so I'm actually going to finish these lashes in the morning. But as you can see, this is what they look like. But they do curl all the way back somewhat, but yeah, I really love a good curl, so I chose the D curl. So yeah, this is what they look like. They look much thinner on camera than what they look like in person, but I'm telling you, they are super black, super thick. I absolutely love them. I am going to go back and fill in some areas, but I pretty much went in and filled in just a little bit so it can be a little more thicker. I'm going to finish this eye tomorrow. I'm probably do this eye off camera because it's pretty much the same process, so I'm pretty much going to come back when both eyes are finished. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey my baddie babes, so as you can see, I finished both eyes. This is how they look. Not gonna even lie to y'all, this is actually a few days later. I just haven't really been feeling like picking up a camera and record lately, but this is what they look like. As you can see, they are giving mega volume, period. I absolutely love them, they're so cute. This pretty much concludes this tutorial. I hope y'all learned something from it. Honestly, I still have a lot of learning to do. I really just got into this like a few months ago, so yeah, I'm just happy that I'm able to share that with y'all, and hopefully y'all can take up little pointers that I gave y'all and y'all can use that towards your lashes. You also want to make sure you have one of these handy because you will also need to be, you know, just combing out the lashes so they can stay nice and fluffy. Of course, due to this is a few days later, I am experiencing some shedding, which is okay. Probably a few lashes like on this side was coming out right here. It still looks full because I only experienced like 2 lashes on both sides was coming out. That's because I be washing my face, and you know, when water gets in the contact of your lashes, you're going to fall out. Like that's just what it is. Especially with me using hair glue, I think that's what really makes them fall out, because hair glue is not really a strong hold like the Ardell or Kiss Lash Adhesive, which you should be using if you don't want to use hair glue. But yeah, this is what they look like. Cute. Disclaimer, I am not a professional, so please do this at your own risk. You are likely to, if not blind yourself if you're not too careful, so please be careful. I'm not responsible for anything what y'all do to y'all eyes, so just to let y'all know so y'all won't come from my pockets if something happens. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, comment down below and tell me if you like this set, or just tell me anything about you want to know about these lashes, and I will respond to any comment that I get from y'all. And yeah, I am so thankful for y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye lovelies.